what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded, but I'm with the homeboy Barney right here, Instagram, Manuel50. Go check him out. Right now we're gonna go wash our cars, and we're gonna go help out a friend. He's opening up a business, a quick lube and car wash, and he wants us to display our cars while he does the grand opening today. He's gonna wash it up, and this video is gonna be also paired up with an install, which is for the Ecoboost, not for mine. It is for the Ecoboost, small mods, but something that I think all Mustangs should have come stock with since the beginning. But yeah, let's get right into it. I just put them, but it's good. Alright guys, out with the old, in with the new. I did recently purchase these side marker lights from MP Concepts. I actually got two pairs, one for me and one for well, actually one for Dara's car, one for my car, but for some reason those haven't been shipped out yet. But I did get these, and the awesome thing about it is that you do not need any freaking tools. I mean, you can use it to make it easier, but I don't know if y'all can see it right there where the light is. All you need is to like clamp it down with your fingers and take it out, or you can use like a little some pliers just to make it easier. You just pinch it, push out, and this comes out. So it should take me maybe about 10 minutes, but let's open up the package, see how these look like. All right, y'all can see right there. So I do think Ford should have put these on all the Mustangs like from factory. This made it a stock thing. I mean, it's really like not expensive, and it makes a difference. Like when you're shopping for a car and you see something like this on the car, it just gives it a clean look. It really cleans up the whole car. And here you go, here you have it. Really simple. Oh no, here comes Mia. All right, so here you have it guys, and these are the stock ones. We did tint these. These are the aftermarket ones, so these are darker. And what these have that's different than these is they have that laser looking light right here, so it makes the car just looks real nice, cleans it up. Let me see if I can show you guys how it looks like right now. If I had the keys, I need to go get the keys now. All right, here we go. When you unlock the car and stuff like that, or driving at night with the lights on, you just have that little bulb like this. So you're gonna see the before and the after. It's like a huge difference right away. The other one will have like a straight laser light right there. Is gonna, I think it cleans up the car pretty nice and makes it look different, makes it look not like the rest of the Mustangs. But you know what, let's get right into it. All right, so what we have here is instructions. Same thing I just told y'all. Get those clamps, remove, put the new one in with the bulb, and installed. So pretty easy. That's the one we're gonna try to get out. So once you put your hand in there, you like tuck in, you push, and it comes out like that. So I didn't need the pliers after all. It's a lot easier than I thought. So out with that, you twist. I believe you twist and comes off. Old one right here, and we got the new one. So we take out this bulb and we put the new one in here. It's in. So hide the wires. You know, and before you put everything back, it's always good just to test it out. Okay, I don't know why that didn't turn on. Maybe I put it on backwards. Is that a thing? Let's try it out. Okay, let's try to get, oh, there it is. And look how badass that looks. So you make sure you are putting it the right way. Apparently there is a wrong way of putting it in. I guess that's like the batteries. But yeah, other than that, just put this side in first again. Make sure it goes in, and then just push in, and it clamps in like that, and you're done. Look at this. Come look at it. It looks nice. So that's the modded side, and it's the old side right there. I mean, you can tell the difference right away by far. So it is a lot better. I'll try to get some night pics, some shots at night, but honestly, I think it was like $59.99, and I honestly think like this right here is totally worth it. That's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. It's a quick, simple install. If you have any difficulties, what? I can't see you. You want to come out? Oh, you can't see me. Anyways, again, that's gonna wrap it up. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys did enjoy. Say bye, Mia. No? All right, she gets nervous. She's camera shy. Catch you guys on the next one. God bless.